year we actually installed Dairymaster CleanSweep Scrapers as well. So we've done 7 passageways there. It's another massive labour saver. The cows are clean coming into the parlour. You're finished milking. There's very little to do in the sheds, just a bit of lime and scrape down cubicles, and slats are clean, the passageways are clean. We're zero grazing as well, so cows are in the yard more here than most yards. So the scraper's just one less job. Before this we were scraping our sheds with a tractor, a Massey Ferguson 35 and a yard scraper. Just that it was labour. It was half an hour after every milking and half an hour during the day if you wanted to clean out sheds. It was another job. Now that's gone. Now once the cows come out of the shed is clean. The scrapers come on every 3 to 4 hours there. They're on timer. It's one less job, you know. You don't really think about it now because it's just done. There doesn't seem to be any issues with cows. There's no feet seem to be better. Cows seem to be cleaner anyway all the time.